Welcome to your daily current affairs digest for 7th August 2026. Everything you need for SSC, UPSC, PCs, and banking exams, all in one place. Now, economy and finance. Tamil Nadu Budget 2026 efforts are on to get centre's approval for 3 Chennai Metro Rail extension projects. The Tamil Nadu government has been pursuing the proposal to create a metro rail connectivity from Hosur in Krishnagiri district till Bommasandra in Karnataka with the centre and the Karnataka government. Man fakes kidnapping after concealing year-long unemployment, mounting debt in Delhi. No announcement of jobs, assistance in budget disappoints persons with disabilities. TN Agriculture Budget evokes mixed reaction from trade bodies. Agriculture budget shows Vijay's government has washed its hand of farmers. Tamil Nadu budget, specialized government law college to be set up in Madurai. Finance Minister Mary Wilson, in his budget speech, urged the union government to immediately abolish the NEET-based admission system and restore medical admissions based on Class 12 public exam marks in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu Budget 2026 Delta Region farmers welcome move to expedite river linking project, studies on building barrages. While welcoming allocations for the Kaveri-Vagi-Gundar river linking project, barrages across the Kaveri and ecological restoration of the Kaveri Delta, farmers' organizations seek higher spending on agriculture, crop loan waiver and better procurement prices. Tamil Nadu Budget, Western districts to gain from textile, tourism, and energy initiatives. The Technical Textiles Transformation Scheme for entrepreneurs will be implemented in collaboration with international educational and research institutions, with the financial assistance from Tamil Nadu Technical Textiles Mission, the Finance Minister said. Mullaperiyar Dam, Kerala reacts sharply to Tamil Nadu budget announcement on raising water level. Kerala government sticks to its declared stand that a new dam has to be built in Mullaperiyar to replace the existing structure which is 131 years old, Minister says. Tamil Nadu Budget 2026, allocation for higher education drops, educationists react sharply. The total outlay for the department has been put at 8,393 crore rupees. That's all for today. Good luck with your exam preparation and see you tomorrow.